Namaskar, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss about refraction of light. It is mentioned in ICSE class 10th and chapter is 5. But if you are new to my channel, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more topics. First of all, we will discuss about the meaning of refraction. Refraction is the change in direction of a wave caused by change in the wave speed. As you know, light waves travel through air and then passes through water. The wave will slow and change its direction. Now we are going to discuss about refraction of light. The path of the light in the second medium is a straight line path, but it is inclined at some angle with the original path. Light waves always travel in straight lines, but when they change their medium, the angle will incline. In the first medium, this phenomenon is called refraction, as shown in the figure. In the figure, angle I and angle R are shown. Here I have taken example of where angle I is less than angle R. Full form of angle I is the angle of incidence and angle R is the angle of refraction. According to this figure, the incident ray is traveling in straight line, but if it is entered from a denser medium to a rarer medium, the incident ray will reflect away. This is the point of normal and this is angle R. Here angle I is less than angle R. So phenomena of change in path of light going from one to another and going from a rarer to a denser medium, the rays of light bends towards normal, and in case going from a denser to a rare medium, the ray of light bends away from normal. Angle I and angle R are always changed. Next topic is incident light. Light which falls on the surface is called incident light. By measuring the angle, we can determine the wavelength of the incident light. When the incident light arrives at a very shallow angle, the micro lens will refract it so that it does not reach this area. Next topic is refracted light. Light which goes back after refraction is called reflected light. In detail, bending of light happens with sound, water and other mediums. It passes from one transparent surface to another. For better understanding, you can use prism to see through it. One light ray passes through it, gives so many color illusions similar to a rainbow. Next is angle of incident. The angle between the reflected ray and normal is known as angle of incidence. In detail, angle between a ray incident on a surface at the point of incident is called normal. The ray can be found by any wave. X-ray is the best example of angle of incidence. For examining structure of bones, it is used, and the light waves are passed through our body, and it shows our inner bones as well as some systems and affects our body. So angle of incidence is used in medical science also. So students, this is the explanation of refraction of light. I hope you have understood. If you like my video, then subscribe to my channel. After subscription, please press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Like and share my video with maximum people. Thank you.